Hollison has an aggressive forecheck. They have smart cycles, and they're hard to push off the puck. They love to get their forechecker, the first forechecker, in fast. Things we need to do. We have to, as defensemen, get back as fast as possible and move the puck out. And that means we're going to have quick shifts because the 30 seconds to 45-second shifts so that we can keep our energy up so we can continue to retrieve the puck as fast as possible. And then I want to be able to stay on them in the O-zone as long as we can keep down there. Even have a couple line changes down there if we can hem them in there. But also, I really want O-zone time because I just like getting in the O-zone. I like getting a lot of offensive time in. Third guy high, quick release. If you get the puck, make sure you get it to the net.